why don't you join me for an interesting webinar on cognitive behavior techniques on 26th June at 11 a.m. Are you aware what CBT is? If you are not, then it is certainly mandatory for you to join and learn about it, because this is the technique by which an individual can certainly bring a lot of changes in his or her life and lead a very satisfied and happier life. And if you are aware of it, let's interact, discuss it out, and try to find out more meaningful discussions, more meaningful thoughts, techniques, and let me teach you number of new techniques for cognitive behavior therapy. So let's join for this particular webinar, which is going to be a very unique. This webinar is going to take you to cognition, and after that we will be in touch with you for full 1 month with various exercises and a free session of 30 minutes to discuss one to one and understand your basic problems if you have any. So let's join on 26 June on at 11 a.m.